Xinjiang APDA Filter Company Limited is a 10-year filter factory located in the hometown of China's filtration industry. We have a strong manufacturing capability and can provide customers with one-stop air compressor maintenance solutions at a faster speed. Because our compressor industry cluster has a complete upstream and downstream supply chain, coupled with our 10 years of e-commerce operating experience, mitigating your business risks. Good news to share, our overseas warehouse in Indonesia is opening. Just focus on convenient payment, faster delivery, and expanding your business. We are looking forward to your joining.